Reading a full research paper just to find one useful point is academic cardio nobody asked for. In this video, I'll show you how to use Cited Evidence Chat with PDF to upload a paper and start asking questions from it directly. First, I'm on the Cited Evidence dashboard. On the left side menu, I'll click Chat with PDF. This opens the Document Chat workspace. This section is made for researchers who want to upload a PDF, Word document, Markdown file, or text file, and then ask questions from that document. Now look at the center of the screen. It says Chat with your documents. This means I can upload a document, select one from my library, or choose a folder if I want to work with multiple documents at once. On the left panel, I can see Library and Recent. Library shows the documents and folders I have saved. Recent shows documents I worked on recently. Now I'll click Upload Document. A file upload window opens. Here, I can drag and drop files or click to browse from my computer. At the top, I can also see the file limits. It shows the maximum file size and the number of files I can upload at once. This is useful if I want to upload more than one paper for a project. There is also an option called Upload to Folder. If I want to keep my research organized, I can select a folder before uploading. For example, if I am working on a literature review about lower back pain, I can upload all related papers into one folder. This keeps everything cleaner instead of dumping every paper into one messy library, because apparently Research Chaos already has enough personality. Now I'll choose my PDF file and upload it. Once the file is uploaded, Cited Evidence opens the paper inside the PDF viewer. In the middle, I can see the full research paper. On the top, I can see tabs like PDF file, summary, and notes. The PDF file tab lets me read the original paper. This is where I can scroll through the pages, zoom in or out, and select text from the article. On the right side, I can see the chat panel. This is where I can ask questions about the uploaded paper. Before asking anything, look at the quick buttons inside the chat panel. There are buttons like Summarize Introduction, Contributions, Methods Used, Limitations, Results, Related Papers, and Practical Implications. These are shortcut prompts. Instead of typing the full question yourself, you can click one of these buttons and Cited Evidence will ask that question for you. For example, if I want to understand the introduction of this paper, I can click Summarize Introduction. If I want to know how the study was done, I can click Methods Used. If I want to know the weaknesses of the paper, I can click Limitations. If I want the main findings, I can click Results. Now I'll type my own question in the chat box. I can ask something like, "What is the main purpose of this study?" Then I'll press Enter or click the Ask button. The tool will answer based on the uploaded document. This is important because I am not asking a general chatbot a random question. I am asking questions from the paper I uploaded. That makes the answer more focused. Now I can ask a second question. What population was used in this study? This helps me quickly find details about the participants or sample without manually scanning the entire paper. Then I can ask, what are the main findings of this paper? This is useful when I am screening papers for a literature review. At the bottom, there is also a high-quality option. If I turn this on, the response may take a little longer, but it can give a more detailed answer. I would use this when I need a better academic explanation, especially for methodology, results, limitations, or discussion. So the workflow is simple. Open Chat with PDF, upload your research paper, wait for it to load, use the PDF viewer to read the paper, use the chat panel to ask questions, and use quick buttons when you want instant answers about introduction, methods, limitations, results, or practical implications. This is useful when you are reading papers for a proposal, thesis, dissertation, literature review, or systematic review background. Instead of opening a PDF and manually hunting for every answer, you can upload the paper and question it directly. That is how you upload a paper and start using Cited Evidence Chat with PDF.